In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through the process of receiving and sending cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet. Let's get started with receiving funds. First, you'll want to open Trust Wallet, but make sure you're using the browser extension or the web application. Once you've pulled that up, go ahead and unlock your wallet using your password. This step is crucial to ensure that your account is secure and only accessible to you. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your wallet dashboard. Here, you can see various cryptocurrencies you have. Select the crypto you want to receive, whether it's USDT, BNB, or perhaps ETH. Once you've found the cryptocurrency you're interested in, click on it and then tap on the Receive button. This process is straightforward and sets you on the right path to get your funds seamlessly. At this point, Trust Wallet will generate a QR code representing your wallet address. You'll also see your wallet address on the screen. The next step requires you to click on the Copy Address button. This will copy your wallet address to your clipboard. This address is what you'll share with the person or platform sending you the funds. If you're withdrawing from an exchange, this is where you'll paste your wallet address to receive your funds. Moving on, let's explore how to send crypto from your Trust Wallet. First, jump over to the main wallet screen and identify the token that you intend to send. Once you've found it, simply click on it. For the sending procedure, you'll want to tap the Send button. This action leads you to a field where you'll paste the recipient's wallet address. It's vital to make sure that this address is on the correct network, such as BP20 or ERC20, to avoid any potential losses. After entering the address, type in the amount you wish to send. When you're all set, tap Next. You'll be presented with a summary of the transaction, which includes the gas fees and the chosen network. It's important to thoroughly review these details to ensure everything is in order before you proceed. Once you're confident that all is correct, click Confirm. Now, it's just a matter of waiting a few moments for your transaction to be completed. Before we wrap up, here are some important tips, especially useful if you're new to this. Always verify wallet addresses before hitting send. Sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds, which no one wants. Where possible, use QR codes as they reduce the chance of human error, ensuring that you're sending and receiving crypto safely. And there you have it, a complete guide to receiving and sending crypto using Trust Wallet. I hope these instructions make the world of crypto a bit more accessible and easier for you to navigate. Thanks for watching.